Welcome back to Recorder with Mr. Wright. Today we are going to learn Frere Jacques in key of C. It's going to involve these notes. So starts off with a low C. So we have all left hand using all the fingers there, and the right hand also all four fingers of the right hand. All right, so it starts off with that low C and goes C, C, D, E, C, C, D, E, C, E, F, G, E, F, G, G, A, G, F, E, C, G, A, G, F, E, C, C. Now, normally we go to C, G, C, but just going to go up instead C, G, C. So lifting all four of those fingers up and then back down to the C. Okay? Let's try with the first part of this recording, the first half of this recording, which I will put in the link below the title so you can have access to it. As in key of C, the second half goes to the key of D flat, which we will not do today. Let's try playing along with it, shall we? Starting with that low C. We're at about 8 seconds in. All right, here we go. All right, let's do that much again. Let's do it a little bit slower though. All right. Let's, good, gonna take the speed and I'm going to change it to, we were doing full speed. Let's slow it down a little bit to 3/4 speed and try again, shall we? Okay. Starting with the C, C, D, E, C, E, F, G, E, F, G, G, A, G, F, E, C, G, A, G, F, E, C, C, G, C, C, G, C. All right, there you go. Now, what's great, you could play the melody in a different place. So it's around, so you could let them begin here with the recording and then play along a little later. Let's try that. And again, I apologize for any squeaks. I am new at the recorder as well, so we're going to be learning together. Here we go. We're going to start a little bit later than the recording. And now it's our turn. And they went up to the key. We would continue and see. All right, there you go. And that's a great tune. You can sing along with others. They can sing the melody. You can play the melody. They can start ahead of you or behind you, and you can do the round. A great classic melody. Enjoy playing this portable and easy to play for all people instruments. Okay, have a great week, everyone. Take care of each other.